everybody. This is my favorite time of year because, well, it's my opportunity to give back to you. Hi everybody, I'm Leah of Seejanedrill, and if this is your first time here, you picked a really good day to watch Seejanedrill. It's the annual Seejanedrill tool giveaway. Now, just a few days ago, I placed a poll on the Seejanedrill community page asking, well, what you wanted to see us give away this year. Well, I gotta tell you, you responded, and I heard you clearly. This is what you voted for. Here's the top two. Number one was the combination 6-tool cordless tool set. And then number two was the router and router table with the router bits. Check this out. We're giving away, I'm not kidding you about this. I'm not kidding you. The Milwaukee cordless M18 6-tool combo kit. And we're giving away the 10-amp router kit by Skill, and it's a router and router table combo. And we're also giving away a set of router bits as well. So this is how you enter. You have to comment in the comments below, and you have to share with us a story about a toy or a gift that you wanted, you really wanted, and you didn't get, or that you did get. It can be a funny story, but whatever it is, make certain that you place it in the comments below. And the comment that receives the most thumbs up wins the Milwaukee 6-tool combo kit. So the bottom line is this, folks. Do whatever you have to do to get those thumbs up. Either have a really great story or have, well, a lot of friends and a lot of relatives. Wait a second, Leah. I don't have a story that's really all that interesting to share. Well, no worries, because that's what the router and router table and the router bits are for. We're going to have a random pull from the names that we receive. So what you have to do is you have to go to the comments below, and there's going to be a link that you click on. It's going to say Seejanedrill tool giveaway, and you just provide your name there. And then, well, you're entered. So maybe you're thinking, Leah, how much time do I have to get people to come over and vote my story up? Well, you have until December the 31st. And I'm gonna announce the winner on January the 1st. And I gotta tell you this, I cannot wait to read some of your stories. On January the 1st, we're going to announce both winners on the community page. So you're going to have to go there to find out. Now, I want to tell you this. I encourage you, really encourage you to read the contest rules below. They're included in the description. You're going to want to do that. This is Leah saying happy holidays. And well, I'll see you next year.